Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Laresar Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. A powerful cleaning solution with an impressive 4,500 pascals hurricane suction, perfect for tackling pet hair and carpets. This innovative device offers a 3-in-1 cleaning experience, seamlessly vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping with ease, thanks to its separate dust container and water tank. With 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes, including zigzag, spot, edge, and random, it intelligently detects carpets and boosts suction for optimal performance. Its ultra-slim 3-inch design allows it to glide under furniture, while maintaining a low noise level of under 50 decibels for a peaceful cleaning experience. Equipped with a 3,200 mAh battery, it provides up to 180 minutes of runtime and automatically returns to its charging base when needed. Control is at your fingertips with options for remote, app, and voice commands via Alexa and Google Home, ensuring convenience and ease of use. Plus, with a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, the Laresar Clean Robot Vacuum is not just a cleaning tool, but a thoughtful gift choice for families, pet owners, and those with limited mobility. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.